This next one's gone to Brian only because he happens to be working in this particular environment. And before he started on this assignment, his hair was not gray. Uh, Obviously, I'm making a joke there. He's had gray hair for a long time. What are the industry insights into small batch manufacturing? Brian?
Thanks, Bill. Small batch industry insights to small batch manufacturing, as lot sizes change and requirements from customers change, you see a lot more of small batch sizes. It's not uncommon for a company to have multiple setups, multiple changeovers. When that happens and you're running economical lot sizes or smaller lot sizes, it's important that your changeover time is effective, because in some cases the changeover time can be more than the actual run. So you have to make sure that you're using SMED activities to help you with setup reduction, and that will help as far as the number of changeovers and the amount of time you spend doing changeovers.